eno nigo erigereirie buna chingaki senate egochiko ikaransa na kurigereria chingwane chichonsi nabo igo ibikore byonsi byanyako bikonekwa ime ya senate ritukolia rero ninki senate irachikukwana igoro ye county ya Nyamira igekorwa gose recommendation eli senate iranyako bachigekorwa elikonyaraka gekokora obututukanu obugenda konekwa ime ye bunge yo ye county ya Nyamira kolende asogokorera echine chingwana chia agati ya aba senator gose ine chingwana chia omo senator bwe county ya Kisii chingwana chia omo senator bwe county ya Nyamira chingwana chia omo speaker eno kokero nabo igo chingwana chia omo speaker Thaddeus Nyabaro ase ogokorera egekaro kiritukolia rero bosio we senate
because it's political. This problem is not. I really want to plead with chair and this committee that any recommendations were made that will be made should be recommendations to make sure that all of you can sit down as brothers and agree so that we can sort out. Nyamira is an embarrassment to me as a senator from Kisii. It is an embarrassment to our country because you deserve better. We know you have issues with the governor. We know you have issues with the sitting or the former speaker, whatever you call him. You're all children of the same mother. I beg you, be courageous enough to call each other in this evening, sit down, and please agree.
Chair, let me say what we wish for every devolved unit is that it works for the good of the Kenyan people in that county. But for this one, Chair, I think the theatrics are at another level. Yes. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yes, Chair. At the end of the day, issues affecting Nyamira will be solved by the people who reside in Nyamira. That is me, Senator, you as honorable members of Assembly, and the Governor. Everything that you see making that count on the headlines for the wrong reasons will ultimately reflect on the leadership of Nyamira. The Constitution sets the executive and the county assembly. And the person who should be in the forefront in ensuring that there is unity, there is one assembly, is the governor. So I hope, Chair, at the end of these proceedings, we will get a solution that will give the people of Nyamira an opportunity to have one assembly. You can have disagreements. We disagree with Honorable Onyonka, but at the end of the day this afternoon, we'll retreat to one Senate called the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. So despite the disagreements that you may have, please have one county assembly. The issues that have come here before this afternoon, if they are not resolved, they will degenerate to something worse for the county assembly, for the executive, and for the people of Nyamira. So let's try and get a solution that brings all of you together, sort your differences within one assembly. That is the only message I have.
It's not that we are greedy for power, but our hearts are bleeding. It's only in Nyamira that a consignment of empty breweries can be flagged as in the name of drugs. It's only in Nyamira that the governor can pay himself 5.6 million.
Honorable Chair,
Mr. Governor,
Honorable Chair,
Mr. Chair, I'm saying on behalf of the people of Nyamira, I
Honorable Chair,
the governor is not here. You cannot discuss.
The major problem we have, Honorable Chair, the major problem we have, Honorable Chair, is the set Okongo Omogeni. It's the problem of Nyamira. Honorable Chair, give me an opportunity to speak.
Honorable Chair, I withdraw and apologize, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I want to appreciate the committee for giving us an opportunity, and also thank my honorable members that we have been bestowed with a great responsibility to serve the people of Nyamira. We have an opportunity to come back, work together. My hands are open to welcome my friends. We work together, we push Nyamira forward. We have a timeline. 5 years is not a long time. Next year we are engaging campaigns. We have an opportunity to come together and do service delivery. I want to appreciate the opportunity and also welcome my senator, my learned counsel who I love so much, that if we resort and go back home, we can be able to solve this issue without coming to the Senate. So, my senator, I welcome you. Chair. You have enough wisdom. We can be able to move forward. Thank you very much.
The problem.